Today I will show you tutorial on 3 clay necklaces. All these are very beautiful and colorful and quite trendy and of course very easy to make. So let's begin with the tutorial. For this we will be using air dry clay. Hi, I'm Shabori from Hooked in Loops. Welcome back to my channel. So let's begin. Begin with necklace 1. So for this we will use the fevicryl molded air dry clay and mix the components to form the white color dough. We will take any cardboard piece, cut into a shape of rectangle and then spread the clay on top of the cardboard uniformly. We will smoothen the surface and the edges with a little bit of water in the fingertip in this manner and take any pointed objects for making holes. We will take small clay pieces and give them shape of petal with our fingers. Slightly twist and bend these to give realistic petal-like effect. Since these are freshly prepared clay, we do not need fevicryl for sticking it to the base. We will take any pointed object and give it a texture of flower like this. We will now make a leaf in the same way. Give the texture of hole and slightly twist it. Let our work to dry for 3 to 4 hours for hardening and then add a layer of gesso. After that we will start painting on our work based on our imagination. The painting is nearly done. We will let it dry and then we will add a layer of wood shine wood gloss on top of it for the glossy effect and also for color protection. Then we will attach different components to our necklace. So we are attaching an oxidized piece of a leaf and decorate it with thread beads and the clay leaf that we made earlier, and then we will attach it to the main locket through the hole at the bottom portion. Just tie double knot in this manner and cut out the extra thread. Now we will be passing the cord through the top hole that we made. Do the same thing on the other side and decorate it with thread beads. And our beautiful necklace is ready. We will now move on to the next necklace. This is a beautiful clay fish necklace and very easy to make. So we will use fevicryl molded air dry clay and mix the components to form the white colored dough. We will cut out pieces of cardboard in the shape of fish body part and spread the clay pieces on top of the cardboard uniformly in this manner. After that, we will smoothen the surface and the edges with the help of water in the fingertip in this manner. And after that, we will make holes. Make a bigger hole at the top portion for passing the cord and then make smaller holes in this manner for attaching the body parts together with thread. We will take any pointed object for giving textures on the cardboard pieces. We will allow our work to dry for 3 to 4 hours and then paint on it using gesso white. After that we will start painting on our work. In this particular necklace I am using different colors in patches like black, green, red and yellow and whatever you feel like until you get your desired result. And then after that add your wood gloss for the glossy effect and the color protection. So this is the final result. This is looking absolutely stunning. It will go well with white dress. And then finally we will attach the pieces together with thread in this manner. All the parts have been attached. Now we will take the cord, fold it in halves and then pull the central portion of the cord through the hole in this manner. A loop has been formed. We will pass the loose ends of the cord through the loop and tighten it, and your necklace is ready. Simply tie the cord around your neck based on the length, and your beautiful and stylish and cool necklace is ready. I hope you like this tutorial. So now move on to the third tutorial. For this again we will be using the air dry clay and mix the components to form the dough. Just roll it with your hand and form a circular ring in this manner. Take any pointed object to make holes. Take a safety pin for giving the texture of wood on top of the ring, and then we will be making leaf and just attach it on top of the ring base that you made. Since this is a freshly prepared clay piece, you do not need fevicryl for sticking it on top of the surface. Now we are making the flower. So this is a 3-petal flower. Give it shape using your finger. After that we will be attaching stems around the ring in this manner. And then another leaf on the other side of the flower, and for decoration add some buds. It's completely optional. Make a hole at the lower portion of the ring, and now we will be making 2 leaves. Make hole and give the texture of the leaf and slightly twist it to give the realistic effect. Do the same thing with the other leaf and allow it to dry for 3 to 4 hours, and then we will paint it with gesso white. And when it has dried, we will start painting on our work based on our imagination. The painting is nearly done. We will allow it to dry out completely, and then we will add a layer of wood shine wood gloss on top of it for the glossy effect and also for color protection. Now we attach the leaves with thread in this manner and then pass it through the hole at the bottom portion of the ring that we made, and just tie knots in this manner. And finally we will pass the cord through the top holes in this way and decorate with thread beads, and our beautiful necklace is now ready. I hope you liked this tutorial and it was easy for you to follow. This is a very beautiful necklace